Hello everyone. Today let us learn control shortcuts from A to Z. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. These shortcuts are very important for us. Control A. Select all. Control A. Select all. Control B. Bold. Control B. Bold. Control C. Copy. Control C. Copy. Control D. Duplicate. Control D. Duplicate. Control E. Center. Control E. Center. Control F. Find. Control F. Find. Control G. Go to. Control G. Go to. Control H. Replace. Control H. Replace. Control I. Italic. Control I. Italic. Control J. Justify. Control J. Justify. Control K. Insert hyperlink. Control K. Insert hyperlink. Control L. Align text left. Align text to left. Control L. Align text to left. Control M. Hang indent. Hanging indent. Control N. New. Control N. New. Control O. Open. Control O. Open. Control P. Print. Control P. Print. Control Q. Add space after paragraph. Control Q. Add space after paragraph. To add space after paragraph, we use Control Q. Control R. Align text to right. Control R. Align text right. Control S. Save. Control S. Save. Control T. Open a new tab. Open new tab. Control U. Underline. Control U. Underline. Control V. Paste. Control V. Paste. Control W. Close window. Control W. Close window. Control X. Cut. Control X. Cut. Control Y. Redo. Control Y. Redo. Control Z. Undo. Control Z. Undo. These are the shortcut keys. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.